If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can show your system info in Photoshop to see your device's specifications and information about its Photoshop installation. This information is very extensive. To show the system info in Photoshop, select Help, System Info from the menu bar to open the System Info window. You can then scroll through the window to read the system information you need to find. To copy the content of the System Info window if needed, click the Copy button at the right side of the System Info window. You can then paste it into another application to review it there if needed. To close the System Info window, click the OK button or the X in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.